As we stand on the cusp of the 21st century's great technological advancements, one question looms large. What will our cities look like in the future? As populations rise and environmental challenges grow, urban planners, architects, and scientists are working on groundbreaking solutions to create cities that not only accommodate more people but do so in a sustainable, efficient, and enjoyable way. In this episode, we explore the potential future of cities and how technological innovations, smart design, and environmental consciousness are set to reshape urban life. Vertical cities building up instead of out. One of the biggest challenges of modern urbanization is space. As populations grow, cities are running out of room to expand outward, leading to overcrowding, traffic, and pollution. To combat this, future cities are looking up, embracing the idea of vertical cities. These futuristic skyscrapers won't just house offices or apartments, they'll be entire communities stacked one on top of another. Imagine a single building that contains homes, schools, parks, shopping malls, and hospitals all within a vertical structure. By concentrating urban life into these towers, cities can free up ground space for green parks, reduce traffic congestion, and minimize the carbon footprint of transportation. The Exceed 4000, an experimental city design from Japan, epitomizes this concept. Proposed to reach 4 kilometers in height, this megastructure would house over 1 million people and generate its own energy through renewable sources such as solar and wind power. Smart cities, where technology meets daily life. The future of urban life will be defined by smart cities where data, technology, and infrastructure seamlessly integrate to create an intelligent and efficient environment. Using sensors, cameras, and AI-driven systems, smart cities will monitor everything from traffic patterns to energy consumption, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and sustainably. In smart cities, transportation will be revolutionized by autonomous vehicles, eliminating traffic jams and drastically reducing accidents. Traffic lights, public transit, and even pedestrian movement will be optimized through real-time data analysis, ensuring that people move through the city as quickly and safely as possible. Energy management will also be smarter. Cities will use renewable energy grids that adapt to supply and demand, distributing energy where it's needed most. Buildings will be equipped with smart meters that automatically adjust lighting, heating, and cooling based on the number of people in a room or the time of day, further reducing energy waste. Cities like Songdo in South Korea and Masdar City in the UAE are already embracing these ideas, with smart infrastructure designed to improve efficiency and quality of life while reducing environmental impact. Green cities bringing nature into urban life. In the cities of the future, nature and urban environments won't be at odds, they'll work together. The idea of the green city will be central to urban planning as more cities embrace sustainable practices and biophilic design, which integrates natural elements into architecture and cityscapes. Buildings in green cities will feature living walls, rooftop gardens, and urban forests, helping to cool the city, reduce pollution, and create more pleasant living environments. These green spaces won't just be for decoration. They'll be vital for improving air quality, reducing the urban heat island effect, and promoting mental well-being for residents. One exciting development in this area is the concept of the forest city. Designed by Italian architect Stefano Burri, these cities aim to combat climate change by creating urban forests where every building is covered in plants and trees. Burri's forest city in Liuzhou, China will feature over 1 million plants and 40,000 trees, all integrated into the architecture. This will absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, making the air cleaner and helping to fight global warming. With climate change posing serious threats to urban centers, rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and increased temperatures, the cities of tomorrow will need to be designed with resilience in mind. Resilient cities will use architecture, technology, and natural defenses to protect against environmental challenges. Coastal cities like New York, Miami, and Tokyo are already at risk from rising sea levels. In response, future cities may incorporate floating infrastructure or protective seawalls that can rise and fall with the tides. Projects like the Venice Meuse system, which aims to prevent flooding in the historic city by using movable barriers, offer a glimpse into the kind of engineering that could protect coastal cities. Resilient cities will also be designed to withstand heat waves, hurricanes, and other extreme weather events. This might involve designing buildings to be more energy efficient, creating large-scale drainage systems to prevent flooding, or even building climate-controlled urban domes, self-contained environments where temperature, humidity, and air quality can be regulated. Transportation of the future. Seamless, clean, and fast. One of the key innovations reshaping future cities is next-generation transportation. The days of gasoline-powered cars clogging highways will be over, replaced by electric autonomous vehicles, high-speed public transit, and personal air transport. Hyperloop systems, first proposed by Elon Musk, are a prime example of future transportation innovation. These vacuum-sealed tubes will allow passengers to travel between cities at speeds over 700 miles per hour, cutting down travel time and energy consumption. Inside cities, the rise of autonomous electric vehicles, shared transport services, and flying taxis will transform how people move through urban areas. In cities like Dubai and Singapore, autonomous taxi drones are already being tested. These flying vehicles will allow people to bypass traffic and travel directly from one point to another, creating new layers of transportation above the crowded streets. Circular cities, zero-waste, self-sustaining communities. Another vision for the cities of tomorrow is the concept of the circular city, where waste is minimized and resources are recycled endlessly. In a circular city, waste from one sector becomes the resource for another. Organic waste is composted to fertilize vertical farms, old materials are recycled into new buildings, and water is constantly reused through innovative filtration systems. These cities will rely on local production for food, energy, and materials, reducing the need for long supply chains that contribute to pollution and waste. Energy will come from renewable sources such as solar, wind, and bioenergy, while water will be sourced from local rainwater collection and purification systems. Circular cities will be self-sustaining, producing their own food and energy, and creating a closed-loop system that minimizes environmental impact. Cities like Amsterdam are already making strides in this direction, with ambitious plans to become fully circular by 2050. By rethinking how cities manage resources, the circular city concept offers a path to sustainability in a world with limited resources. Social cities, redefining community and connection. As technology advances, the social fabric of cities is also set to change. The social city of the future will use technology to foster deeper connections between residents, creating communities that are inclusive, collaborative, and engaged. Social cities will use platforms that allow residents to directly participate in the planning and development of their neighborhoods. Crowdsourced urbanism will give people the power to shape their city's future, ensuring that development meets the needs of the community. Public spaces in these cities will be designed to encourage interaction and creativity, with flexible environments that can be adapted for different uses. From interactive parks to shared workspaces, social cities will blur the lines between work, play, and community life. Conclusion: a vision of urban utopia. The cities of the future promise to be smarter, greener, more resilient, and more connected than ever before. As we continue to innovate, cities will evolve into hubs of sustainable living, technological progress, and community engagement, whether through vertical urbanization, circular resource management, or smart technology. The vision of the future is clear: cities that work in harmony with the planet and improve the quality of life for all who call them home. The transition to these futuristic cities will not be without challenges, but the potential for cleaner, safer, and more vibrant urban environments is within our reach. As urban populations continue to grow, embracing these forward-thinking solutions will be key to building a sustainable and thriving future for humanity.